As California continues to face water challenges, scientists in San Diego are digging deep, all the way down to a plant's DNA. Here at Salk Institute in Torrey Pines, researchers are studying how plants respond when water runs low. Joseph Swift is a visiting researcher who studies how plants handle stress and says drought does a lot more than just slow growth.
Like humans, plants age, and when they encounter a stress like drought, they actually accelerate their aging process.
When drought hits, plants don't just struggle, they age faster. But their team may have found a way to slow that aging process.
And we were able to actually find certain genes that allow plants to maintain better growth under stress.
Professor Joe Ecker, a molecular biologist leading the research, says they took a groundbreaking approach looking at plants one cell at a time.
It was a technology paper where we took cells from plants that have been exposed to stress, in this case drought stress, and then analyzed almost 1 million single cells.
In other words, they looked at nearly 1 million individual cells to see exactly how each one responds to drought. Using a model plant, their findings could be applied to crops like corn, soybeans, and more. The goal, grow more food using less water.
If we can somehow find certain genetic mechanisms that allow plants to continue to grow with less water, then that will allow growers a better chance in growing food with less water.
And that matters, especially in California, where water supplies remain under pressure.
And we're declining water tables, which means that some, agricultural practices, particularly in the Central Valley, means that we can't grow the crops that we used to.
The team is also using artificial intelligence to help predict drought impacts before crops are even planted, all part of a bigger effort to prepare for an ever-changing climate with less predictable rain and greater pressure on water resources.
I feel like the younger scientists want to make discoveries and build technology that will help with their generational problem. And our problem is going to be climate change. So if we can contribute and make progress, that feels pretty good.
At the Salk Institute, Vanessa Paz, News 8.
And if you would like to see more of our Earth 8 reports, you can stream them now on our CBS 8 app. Just download it on your TV. Watch us anytime for free.